Hello, welcome to 2.3 day 2. We are going to be writing scientific notation in standard form again, but this time instead of big numbers, we're going to be writing really small numbers. So scientific notation, here we go. So you may notice before we had, like earlier this week, we had 6.13 times 10 to the 5th, and we moved our decimal this way to make it big. Now we have a -5. So instead of going to the right, we're going to go to the left and make small numbers. So we got 6.13, and we're going to move it 5 times and make it number smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add a new decimal, add zeros. So our new number is 0.1234613. Final answer. So negative exponent means small number. Positive exponent means big number. Here's another one. So we got 2.57. How many times am I going to move? -3 times. 1, 2, 3. And new decimal, 0, 0. All right. So our final answer is 0.00257. Final answer. Let's do another one. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite the decimal, 1.02. I'm going to move -7. If you ever look at a number line, the negatives, we got -1, -2, -3, then we got 1, 2, 3. What side are the negatives on? The left side. So that's why our decimal is going to move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 0, 2. Final answer. So positive numbers go to the right, negative numbers go to the left when you're expanding into standard form. So scientific notation has this base 10. Standard form looks like the big number once again. And let's do one more. So I got 3.17. I'm going to move it how many times? 6 times. Which direction? This way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I'm going to move it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add a decimal. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final answer. 0.12345 317. There you go. There you have it. Let me know if you have any questions.